Hey everybody, James at Full Chisel Chainsaw Artistry. I'm just working on, you can see him in the background back there. Let me, maybe, yeah, see I got a guy that's ordered a few woodchucks. So this is one I'm just, when I'm working on some details before I do all the, I'm gonna save it till the end to do all the painting. But I thought I'd just do a quick one here. It's not gonna be super long. Show just a little bit of it. I got a couple more to do. But they'll end up looking really woodchucky once I get it done. So here's the original, the first one that I did. And I don't know why I can't get my camera to zoom out. But anyway, so that's the first and the original of it. Turned out pretty good. It matches my picture pretty close. So anyway, that's it. A couple minutes. I'll probably edit it down and do a couple of shorts maybe. I don't know. I didn't really do a lot, but just wanted to kind of show you guys the process from here to here. This is the put in the eyes and stuff, and then bam, that's when they're all painted. Well, they're painted with an airbrush with some automotive style Createx black mostly. Everything else is stained. And so there we go. Anyway, haven't been on for a while. Thought I'd post a few things. It's been hot cha in Arkansas, so been trying to stay cool. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.